Welcome to our full guide on how to send a direct message to someone in a space in Gmail. If you're looking to have a private conversation within a specific space, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Spaces. Step 3. Choose the desired space you want to send a direct message in. Step 4. Once you're in the space, tap on the space name at the top and then select Manage Members. Step 5. Locate the person's name you want to message and tap on More Options. From there, select Direct Message. Step 6. Type in your message in the provided text box. Step 7. Finally, tap on Send to deliver your message. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a direct message to someone in a space in Gmail. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Now you can easily have private conversations within Gmail spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy messaging!